I'm going to help you decide if you should choose FBA or FBM when you're starting your Amazon journey. In order for you to make this decision, you must know the pros and cons of each. Let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in learning more about online businesses and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. If you're new to Amazon, let me start by explaining to you what FBA is and what FBM is. In simple words, if you want to start selling on Amazon, you have two options. Either you can do FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon. This means that Amazon takes care of the fulfillment of your orders. In simple words, this means that Amazon will take care of the whole process of shipping out your order to your customer when they order something from you. On the other hand, you also have the option of FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant. And with FBM, as the name suggests, you take care of the fulfillment of your orders. We are going to dive a little deeper and discuss the pros and cons. Let's start with FBA. The main pros that comes with fulfillment by Amazon is that Amazon takes care of the whole fulfillment process. You as a seller then can focus on the more important aspects of your business. You can focus on growing the business instead of being caught up with the maintenance of it. So you as a seller will be sending your products, your inventory, to Amazon warehouse or the fulfillment center. Once Amazon receives your products, they will store it for you in their warehouse, and once a customer places an order, they will pick, pack and ship it to your customer. Amazon will also take care of all the back-end operations, which means that they will be taking care of customer service and customer returns. Now for you as a business, this is a huge responsibility that you don't have to deal with. For many people who start an e-commerce business, they get so consumed with the customer service and the picking and packing of orders that they hardly get any time or energy to focus on growing and scaling their business. It honestly takes up a lot of time, and when Amazon takes care of this, it gives you time to focus on other things. So as mentioned, they will store your inventory, which is fantastic. Now you no longer have to get all the inventory in your house, store it in one of your spare rooms or your garage or maybe in your living room. You no longer have to deal with this, and Amazon takes care of it. As soon as you receive an order, it will automatically sync it with Amazon's warehouse and they will automatically ship it out to your customer. You no longer have to worry about orders coming in, packing your order, or sending them out. And also, as mentioned, they will take care of customer support. If a customer calls in or wants to return something, basically any basic customer support, they will take care of it. They will also handle all of the returns. If a customer returns a product, Amazon will take care of it. They will go and pick it up. They will either return it to your inventory or they will discard the product, but they're gonna take care of it. Another big pros is that if you sell through Amazon FBA, you automatically become eligible for the Prime badge. 60% of Amazon members in the UAE at least are Prime members. So that means 60% of Amazon customers choose to use Prime for fast delivery. You'll be able to offer your customers next day delivery or 1 to 2 days delivery, and you'll get the Prime badge if you go ahead with Amazon FBA. Now for your business, this means that you'll be having more conversions because customers like to take benefits of Prime and they want the 2 days delivery. Another pros is that you'll get a boost because Amazon is known to reward their Prime sellers. Now let's move on to the cons of FBA. There are a few cons, and the first one I would say is the cost. Now if Amazon is doing all the work for you, it will come with a fee. So you'll be paying a little extra for these services. Second con is that you have less quality control. As you have already shipped your inventory to Amazon, you now no longer have any access to your inventory. You cannot go into their warehouse and open up your boxes and packages and check if your products are in good shape, if packaging is not damaged, anything is not dented. You won't be able to add any kind of inserts for your customers. You won't really be able to check anything or do any kind of inspection before your products go out to your customers. These were the pros and cons of FBA. Now let's discuss FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant. FBM is pretty much the opposite of FBA. With FBM, the products are with you. They are stored with you at your home or wherever you have free space, and you will fulfill them when a customer orders the product. There are two ways how you can execute this. One is self-ship. Self-ship is when you hire a courier company to ship your products directly to your customer. And the second one is easy ship. Easy ship is when you go with Amazon's preferred courier partner. You will prep and pack the order, and Amazon's preferred courier service will come and pick it from you to deliver to your customer. Let's talk about the pros of FBM. One of the pros of FBM is that it is cheaper. You're not gonna have to pay Amazon any additional fees to pick, pack, and fulfill your orders. You're going to be taking care of all of this by yourself. Now hear me out. You're not going to be paying Amazon all these additional fees, but you're going to be paying it by trading your precious time. Honestly, if you ask me, your time is worth more than the cost that you're going to be paying Amazon to fulfill your orders. It may seem cheaper, but you'll be having to do all the hard work and pay it with your time. You'll not have a lot of time in growing and innovating your business. Pro number 2 is customer support. With FBM, you have more control over your customer support. You'll be able to custom pack them, add inserts, add gifts. For example, you can make a special packaging on request, or you know that it's a customer's birthday, then you can add additional inserts for them, and that just makes your customers' shopping experience much better. Pro number 3 is quality control. Unlike FBA, you have now full control over your inventory. Once your shipment arrives from China, you can open up your shipment and inspect each of your product. You can check for damages, you can add inserts, you can pack for your customers however you want. Now let's discuss the cons of FBM. The main con, I would say, is your time, and you'll have to do a lot of more work. You'll be responsible for everything, and you have to make sure if the orders are being shipped. For example, if you're traveling, you'll have to make sure that someone is there who can print labels, who can pack and ship your orders to your customers. So you have to work hard a lot more to maintain your business. When you start initially, it may not seem like it, but when you start to get high volume of orders, it'll be hard for you to maintain all this on your own unless you hire someone, which essentially means you're going to be paying someone else to help you out to do the work for you. The second con of FBM is Prime eligibility, which means that you will not be eligible for Prime. Prime is super important as Amazon prioritizes Prime sellers, and customers also prefer to shop with Prime. Customers would much rather buy from a Prime seller rather than a non-Prime seller and get the benefits of free shipping or fast shipping. Now, if you ask me, one of the huge advantages of selling on Amazon is that Amazon offers FBA to their sellers. In my opinion, if you're planning to sell on Amazon, just don't bother selling on FBM. It's going to be a lot of work and will take up too much of your time. You'll be spending time doing things that are not of high importance. Go ahead with FBA. It will make your life and business much easier. Don't worry too much about the fees. There are a lot of great benefits and you would want to take advantage of all of them. Good luck with your Amazon journey. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer all of them. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a like. It really helps with the channel. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.